since I did a tutorial video, and I'm excited to be able to do one for you today. For starters, I would like to say a massive thank you if you are part of this family. Thank you very much for your subscription and for all the good messages you send to us. It keeps us going. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for your messages of appreciation to show that you really appreciate the work we do here for you on YouTube. If you're watching us for the first time and you've not yet subscribed, I will entreat you to hit the subscription button now, because that encourages us to keep bringing you interesting tutorial videos. In today's video, we are going to do a very simple project, but very interesting as well. We are doing a mini pillbox on this little Alice band, and we are using basic things, and I'll be taking you through the tools and materials in a minute. But before I do that, let's talk about this event. So this is International Women's Week or Month event. So we are celebrating women in this month just before March comes to an end, and the event on this day is called Pat on the Back Celebration. As you can see, it's for all women living in Nottingham. On this day, we'll have a 25 to 30 minutes talk from Emily Corrigan from Living Without Abuse, and then we will have craft activities for about an hour and 15 minutes. We will have fun activities like tombola, raffle draws and stuff like that. There will also be refreshment, a lot of socializing going on, and a few awards to be given out to honor our women who have been committed to this course. If you live in Nottingham and you see this video, you are invited, very much invited. Come in, let's meet you, let's get to know that you are part of our YouTube family, and let's have fun together on this day. So let's get right into today's project. So today's project, like I said earlier, we are doing a mini pillbox on an Alice band. Very interesting project, and these are the materials we're going to use. So you would actually need a small round object. It could be the top of a bottle or anything, but for me, I'm just going to use a nearly used tea candle. So I'm just using the case of a tea candle. So this will be for the crown of the pillbox, and then you would need for the base of the pillbox a cardboard, and I've done that. I'm going to show you what the markings I've done in a minute. You'd also need some flowers, ribbons, and feathers for embellishment, some ribbon to cover your Alice band with, or a thread to help you secure your project, which you get to know in a minute, and some bird cage veil here. I'm not too sure if I'll be using that, but I just have it on the side to keep it handy. You need an Alice band and some fabric, of course. Anything else you'd need for measuring and cutting are the things you would need. So let's get right into the project. If anything else comes up, I'll let you know. The diameter of my tea candle is 4 centimeters. So you're going to double this, and that brings you to 8 centimeters. And this is what I have done for the base. Okay, if I had a compass, I would have just drawn a 4 centimeters radius circle, but I don't. So I'm going to have to, like always, reinvent and come up with a way of making a perfect circle with a diameter of 8 centimeters. So now I have my crown and my base ready for the mini pillbox. I'm going to go ahead and get my fabric, cover these two with the fabric, and we take it from there. All right, I've cut the fabric for my disc, or for the base of my pillbox. I'm just going to wrap my disc with the fabric, and then I'll secure the ends with some thread. Okay. All right, so this is what I have. I'm going to go ahead and do the other bit as well, and then we bring it together. So I'm going to wrap this bit here as well with the fabric. It looks as if it's a bit transparent, so I'm going to probably double the fabric so that we can have a good presentation of it. Yeah, that's more like it. So I'm going to wrap this as well beautifully and then bring it back. All right, so I've wrapped both bits with the fabric. I'm going to bring them together with the help of a glue gun. So I'm going to bring some hot glue onto it and bring the two pieces together. I like to think that I've done the right thing, so I'm going to go in with some stitching just so that I'll be able to hide all the mess, you know, from public eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a few stitches in there to firmly pull the bits together, and then we carry on from there. All right, so I've stitched it firmly together. I'm very comfortable that it's been stitched well. Now this bit has a polka dot effect to the ribbon. I want a plain ribbon, so I'm just going to turn the ribbon on the reverse side and use it to cover all the mess here. I'm going to put a few hot glue onto it, and then I'll wrap the base with the ribbon to just give it a beautiful effect. I've gone ahead to make a tiny bowl, which I'm going to use to cover this mess here and make it sit on top of it like that beautifully. I want to see if I would like to add some feather to it, and then a bow or something of that sort. So I'm going to go ahead and shape my feather, and then we take it from there. I think this is a beautiful piece. We don't have to add anything else to it. I totally love what I'm seeing. So I've got a little bit of glue onto my Alice band. I'm going to wrap it around to secure it, and we take it from there. I'm going to wrap it around till I get to the end. It takes a lot of patience to do this, so I'm going to go ahead, do it, and then bring it back so we can put the pieces together. Now we have the bits all prepared and ready to be put together, but I want to do a little bit of birdcage veil embellishment. So I have caught 17 centimeters, if I'm right. Let me do remeasure. I've got 17 centimeters long birdcage and net. I'm going to pinch it from the corners here, so I'm going to pinch it like that. Okay, it's going to look like a bow of some sort. Okay, and then I'm going to get a thread to hold it in the center and attach it to, putting a little bit of twist in, and get a thread to tie it in the center, attach it to the Alice band, and bring the other bits together. All right, now we're going to bring all these four together. So I have my hot glue still plugged in. I'm going to get a bit of glue over here for starters and bring my Alice band onto it. I figure I'll be sticking it somewhere here, so I'm going to go in and put it over there. As we all know, hot glue can be quite messy, so right, then I'll bring my birdcage veil and then bring that on top of it. Right, there we are. So we finally come to the end of today's project with a mini pillbox mounted on an Alice band, embellished with feathers and with a birdcage net. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give our video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not done that already. We currently have our online shop running on our website, selling all the products that our ladies have made. This is to raise funds to keep this organization and this project running. If you'd like to support us, please purchase from our shop. Until we meet again in our next tutorial video, have a brilliant day and
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.